Greetings, my name is Todd Olson. I'm a Six Sigma Black Belt in the Operational Excellence Group at BWXT located at the Lynchburg facility. Today I'll be presenting the results of the technology market study developed for the lean manufacturing training that will be developed this year. Today we're going to be going over the goals of the training, the needs for the project with respect to the technology required, an overview of the analysis that was performed, recommendations based on that analysis, and finally, the total cost and return on investment for the project. The goal for the implementation of Lean is to increase the efficiency of the entire Lynchburg site while decreasing the costs and maintaining our quality. This will be a paradigm shift for our organization, so the training we develop will be instrumental in changing the minds of each individual to this new lean way of doing business. So first, we'll go over the technology that we're needed. In order to achieve our goals, we must develop a training that will grab the attention of each individual. And we need to provide them with an understanding of how this training will apply to their daily work and give them the tools necessary to be successful in this change. For this, we need to develop a great classroom presentation, an engaging e-learning platform, and a website to provide continued learning and support for the future. The technologies, as you can see on the screen, are a way to reach that goal. Presentation technology talks about how we're going to present it in the classroom experience, and somewhat in the e-learning website a little bit. The graphics is really about what's inside of those presentations. The video is about somewhat of the videos that will be part of the classroom experience and somewhat part of the e-learning and website development. E-learning is just what it is. It's electronic learning that's online that our students can learn if they're not in the classroom. This would be really a great benefit for new people coming on board once this plan is launched, and anyone that can't get to the training or someone who needs a refresher in the training. The last section is the website development, and then the website development is needed for future learning so that once our people are understanding how Lean works, they can continue to learn more things about it and how to apply these new lessons that they've learned. So first we'll talk about the presentation technology. The primary emphasis for the program will be our classroom presentation. Now we did review a use of both virtual and augmented reality, but in the end we determined that due to all the experience of our developers with PowerPoint and the comfort factor of our people that have with this type of presentation, that it would be best to remain with the Microsoft PowerPoint for this aspect of the program. Now, while we're maintaining the PowerPoint for our presentations, we want to take the graphics within those presentations to the next level. Now, we did evaluate the use of graphics using PowerPoint along with Articulate 360 and Adobe Illustrator. Both Articulate and Illustrator offer an advancement from the graphics that we presently use. Also, as these both have a suite of applications, they offer applications for us to use in other aspects of the program. So you have the Articulate 360 is a suite of applications that's found online that includes everything from e-learning through presentation through video. And you also have one aspect, this is Adobe Illustrator, and we'll talk about the suite of applications in a little bit. Now, while we improve the graphics, we definitely want to improve training in the way of video. We're going to embed videos with the presentation, both to break up the presentations to maintain the attention of the students and to allow for videos to be used in both the e-learning and the website application. We also want to use the videos to ensure that our stakeholder videos are within the presentation so that our people being trained see that the stakeholders really want this to happen, that they're behind the project. When they're behind the project, they understand that the management is behind the project and will have a better likelihood of success. Now, the software we reviewed, the company currently actually has license for Camtasia. The other softwares reviewed didn't provide enough of the difference from Camtasia to be considered for use. They were iSpring and Siva. Like I said, the Camtasia is some product we own, we have experience with, and the other technologies didn't offer enough differences for us to use those. Now, the e-learning. While the classroom presentation will be the focus of our training, we need to ensure that we have a platform for those who could not attend the initial training and for the new employees that are hired after this initial kickoff. The e-learning platform, we use much of the classroom presentation, but will need to be revised for e-learning. To do this, we again look to a suite of applications of Articulate and Adobe, along with the iSpring application. iSpring is another suite of applications, but it doesn't have as much functionality as Articulate and Adobe. Now, a part of the e-learning, it moves also into this concept of a website technology. So once the classroom and the e-learning have been developed, we want to give our employees a way to continue to learn and access the tools they will need. The best way to do this is we plan on developing a website that can be accessed from both the facility and at home. The employees will be able to access the content and continue to learn this new system and remain excited about applying it here at the facility and at home. We actually have one of our stakeholders is just a lean manufacturing guru, and he actually has his own web channel and he produces lean videos. It's called Lean Farming, and this is the kind of the excitement we want to get for our employees, where they take this concept we're teaching here at the facility, they take it in their homes because they see the benefit of it. Now, we did evaluate the web development using some tools like Composer and Blue Griffin. However, Adobe product of Dreamweaver rose to the top for one, its ease of use, and two, its connectivity to the other Adobe applications. Continuing to use the PowerPoint presentation, we are recommending the Adobe Cloud Creative Suite. This suite of applications actually offers us a lower cost by bundling the applications. It provides us all the applications we'll need to make a great training, and it interfaces well with PowerPoint and Camtasia. So we're going to recommend that going forward for the rest of for all of our technology to be used. To achieve all of this, 2 instructional designers, 5 subject matter experts will be required for a period of 20 working days. The instructional designers will be utilized at a 50% level, while the subject matter experts will require 10% of their current time. The labor costs associated with the development for the full package will be $47,000. There are some additional costs associated with the software for the development and the training required to gain proficiency with the software. As stated above, the Adobe software to be used for a single license for the total application cost would be $54.98 a month. As 2 licenses will be used, the total cost for the year will be a little over $1,300. Along with this, we'd have to have training for both that is included in the Adobe suite. So it's estimated that proficiency is gained about 12 hours for one package, 36 hours for the total cost of $9,000 for that training time. The final cost associated with the presentation is the e-learning. The website development will take about 40 hours to get proficiency. That's $10,000. Therefore, the total cost for this package is $67,320. Now, Operational Excellence has been implementing this type of training program for smaller scale through projects in the plant for about 7 years. And during that time, the lean projects have shown a return on investment in 5 months on average. We're expecting a similar in this application. It's going to take longer because it's plant-wide, but we believe that we can get the $67,000 back within the first year, if not the second, based on current projections. Thank you for your time. Hopefully we can move forward with this technology. We can get approved for the cost and get this lean training up before 4th quarter of this year. Thank you and have a good day.